Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tone with the news, updates, trends, and analysis. Today is the big day FOMC meeting with Jerome Powell. The Federal Reserve has a lot to say, and I will be tuned in and watching. Hopefully, everything goes in our way and we end up rallying because I'm tired of this reddish. I'm tired of this bearish time. So much money lost, so much money just going down. But if you're smart enough, you would be putting most of that cash into an asset that appreciates because we are like 60% down in the market. I'm talking about the crypto market, the stock market, and the commodity market. The FOMC meeting is very important because today they hike the rates up. We're expected a 75 BPS hike rate, which we're already priced in the market. So if everything goes correctly, I'm not your financial advisor. Today, we should rally after that meeting. In God's hands, we put everything and prepare yourself because what's going to happen today could be on the downside or on the upside. Also, I will be talking about the XRP army, the XRP community, one of my favorite coins. I see a lot of bloggers and YouTubers don't speak about this coin. I guess they're very scared on maybe the SEC. I don't know, but I'm very in and I love the XRP. And yes, I am a general in the XRP community. Let's jump right in. What to expect from September FOMC meeting and how might gold respond. The Federal Reserve will conclude its September FOMC meeting and release a written statement at 2 p.m. tomorrow. This will be followed by Chairman Powell's press conference a half hour later. It is widely anticipated that the Federal Reserve will raise the Fed funds rate by 75 basis points. The SME Fed Watch tool is forecasting that there is an 85% probability of a 75 basis point hike and a 16 probability the Fed will raise the rates by a full percentage point. Guys, if we get the full percentage point, expect us to go more down and potentially hit a lower low in the market. Um, I'm not expecting that, but anything could happen. I don't make these decisions. In the unlikely event that the Federal Reserve raises its benchmark interest rate by 1%, it will most certainly pressure gold to lower pricing. Gold is a commodity everybody should watch, even own. I own gold. I'm not gonna wear them on the YouTube channel, but I do own some chains and I would eventually own blocks of gold. I want that. It's such a beautiful thing. Have you ever guys seen it in the movies? Like when they get the blocks and it's a bunch of blocks of gold. Man, I don't know. Even though nobody's gonna see it because I want nobody to look at my gold, but it's something if I own it, it'll be amazing. According to Mark Roch, economics, econom, economist at the brokerage Nomura Securities became the first on Wall Street to predict a full percentage point increase in the Fed's benchmark short-term rate. However, if the Fed raises rates by 75 basis points as expected, market participants could see some short covering activity amid a relief rally. As of 5:05 p.m. gold futures basis, the most active December contract is trading $5 lower and is fixed at 1,673. The hard truth is that after four consecutive rate hikes beginning in March, inflation remains extremely elevated and persistent. The latest data revealed that the CPI index had a slight decline from July 8.5 to 8.3 in August. While the headline CPI had a fractional decline, the core CPI, which strips out food and energy costs, increased 0.6, more than double the prior month's increase. This means that the core inflation rate climbed to 6.3 from 5.9 in August. Because the August core inflation rate is three times the 2% target the Federal Reserve wants to achieve, members of the Federal Reserve will continue to exceedingly hawkish tone expressed at the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. I don't even know what that means. Let's look it up, guys. Symposium. Symposium. A conference meeting to discuss a particular subject. Why can't you just guys say a conference meeting? Symposium. Crazy, guys. Based on the hot and persistent core inflation, participants can expect to see interest rate continue to rise during the remaining three FOMC meeting in September, November, and December. The SME Fed Watch tool is forecasting that there is a 38.9 probability that the Fed will raise rates to between 400 and 425 basis points, and a 44.8 probability that the rates will be between 4.25 and 450 basis points by December 2022. Wow. Those are high numbers, guys. Interest rate hikes that began in March were primary fundamental events that resulted in a major price decline in gold after four consecutive interest rates hikes. Gold has declined by approximately 19 or 400 per ounce. Okay, guys. This is actually a big thing. And usually, like I mentioned in the last video, that before this meeting, everything goes red. So usually people would buy or long after the reddish. I am not your financial advisor, but it usually happens just like this. Very minimal times you'll see the market go red after these meetings, because usually the market prices in all these meetings a week prior the meeting. Very important you guys know this. Again, I am not your financial advisor, but just giving you a little sauce so you guys can make your own decision and make your own financial decisions and moves. Crypto market cap drops pending in the outcome of US Fed meeting. The entire crypto market is currently fighting bearish sentiment ahead of the highly anticipated US Fed outcome. It is expected that the central bank will announce at least another 75 basis point hike. With the meeting set to take place today, the two crypto market leaders battle it out with bearish sentiment to remain above key support levels. At the time of writing, the crypto market tracking website CoinMarketCap shows that Bitcoin and Ethereum have their prices slip over the last 24 hours. Currently, BTC has failed to hold its 19K support and trading at an 18,848 after a 2.5% decrease in price over the last day. Meanwhile, the largest altcoin by market cap, ETH, is trading at 1325 after a 2.28% decrease in the same time period. Both BTC and Ether are down for the week by 6.96% and 17.57% respectively. Looking at the same meme tokens, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, the sluggish price performance seen with the two market leaders is carried over. SHIB's price has fallen 4.27%, taking its price to I am not going to say all that, guys. At the time of the writing. Similarly, Doge prices has dropped, but by smaller margin of 0.32%. This is after an introduction of sell volume over the past hours that has pushed the prices down by 1.91%. As a result, Doge is now trading at 5 cents. As per some media reports, another rate hike will be on the table on today's Fed's meeting, keeping crypto investors on their toes. Yeah, I mean, I expected this, guys. I expected this. Again, I study the markets. I've been in many hike rates already this year. I really don't think that it's going to be too effective. We already priced in most of the pain. And by the looks, we actually priced in 100 BPS hike rate. I think we're gonna go rally. I think we're gonna go up. I think it's time to come back. SEC versus Ripple case. Lawyer John Deaton takes a dig at SEC lawyers. John Deaton is a guy that I follow on Twitter. He is a lawyer and he definitely gives a lot of information about this case. I am an XRP holder. I've been an XRP holder since 2019, if I'm not mistaken, and it's one of my first cryptocurrencies I ever bought before I even bought Ethereum, Cardano, and other coins that I will mention in the future. I really think that we are going to take this case by the neck and come out winning. I am a XRP holder, so don't take my advice and say, "Oh, Tone told me to buy XRP." I never said anything. I say what I hold, what I appreciate, but XRP has a lot of tools, a lot of reasons for being in the market, and it's the coin of the future. I believe that we're going to take this win, and I believe that next year XRP will rally to other levels that we've never seen. Crypto Law founder John Deaton earlier today tweeted that he believes it is both pathetic and embarrassing that the SEC lawyers, with all their Ivy League law degrees and wealth of experience in security laws, need more time to respond to the Twitter lawyer. The reference to Deaton himself. The claim that SEC lawyers with all their Ivy League degrees, and well, I think I just read that. The sarcastic statement was in response to lawyer James F. Fillin's tweet, where he stated that the Ripple defendants were objecting that the SEC suggestion that will seek additional time or pages if our amicus submit beliefs. This is yet another transparent attempt to further delay resolution of this case, and the court should reject it, stated representatives of Ripple Labs. The threat to cause another delay in this case is mean and cruel to the people they swore to protect, like myself. They know that more delay will cost some XRP holders. I don't even like saying this word, guys, so I'm just going to highlight it for you because this word is not in my vocabulary. That's why they said it. Or they want to rush or rattle me. But I'm from the hood. I don't rattle. Who said that? Who said that? What the? uh, John Deaton said he's from the hood. Yo, I'm going to have to follow him. The SEC had a long-standing issue with Deaton, especially since the popular crypto lawyer has appeared as a amicus curiae for Ripple. Earlier in July, the SEC and heavily redacted letter had alleged threats against their expert. they had then asked Judge Torres to revoke amici status granted to XRP holders, also requesting to bar Deaton from any further participation in the case. However, it looks that the SEC might not have much power in the crypto space for too long, as the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has started to gain upper hand in cryptocurrency regulations in the US. Yes, guys, the CEO of Ripple Labs met up with CFTC like 2 days ago. I'm sorry I couldn't post about it. I have a lot of things going on. I will definitely post more, and these informations are definitely something that I should be speaking of so you guys could be informed. But 2 days ago, the CFTC actually met up with Brian Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple Labs. Again, guys, if you guys don't know, Ripple Labs is not the same as XRP. They're two different companies. Ripple Labs is just a governance on the XRP ledger, but they don't do anything. They just pretty much look over it. It's like the government of the US. Like they don't really control us, but they do control us. Really weird, but it's actually more different. So maybe that example is definitely not the one I should have used. But yeah, two different companies. But if something good's happen with Ripple, is definitely gonna show in the XRP coin. But yeah, guys, this is a very great update. Expect another video from me. I don't know if I'll be in the car or back in the house, but I definitely am going to post the FOMC meeting update. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up so I could get more people to watch this video and get this information just like you guys did. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Into the next video.